2022 Badlands Bronco. YouTube, what's going on? My name is AJ. Welcome to the channel. AJ Takes the Streets. Channel is gonna be all about just taking the streets. I love cars. Quick intro on me. I was born and raised in Detroit, Michigan for the latter half of into my teenage years. Grew up going to the Woodward Dream Cruise. Grew up going to the Detroit Auto Show. And cars have always just been a passion of mine. And I'm finally in a position where, you know, I'm a content creator outside of my 9-to-5 role. I love making videos. I love dogs and I love cars. So outside of work, I just make content on all of those things. So I thought I'd bring this channel to you all. One, as a Ford Bronco owner. And two, just as someone who loves cars. And honestly, I watch POV videos quite a bit of cars that one day I want to own or maybe even drive. So I know that's what a lot of people like to do, and I already do it a lot. So why not make some content and share it with you guys? So today we're just gonna do a quick little beach town stroll in the Bronco. Windows up. I don't have the best microphone set up just yet, so I don't want this video to be a bunch of wind noise and whatnot. But I thought we'd take a little trip in the Bronco over the bridge, over beachside right here at sunset. The sun already set, but get a little bit of nighttime action in the Bronc. Might overlay some music in the background. I've had this car, truck, whatever you want to call it, for about 3 months. Or sorry, no, going on 2 months. So I got it in August, had her September. Yeah, so the end of this month will be 3 months. So right on 2 months. It's been awesome. The car I had before this was an Audi S5 4-door hatchback. I love that car. I traded it in for a temporary truck while this one was ordered, and this one came in 9 months earlier. Or it was supposed to take 9 months to a year, and it arrived in 3 months. But I can't complain. I love this Bronco. I built it. There's some emotion tied to it. But I ain't gonna lie, it has a pickup. For an SUV that's not a track hawk or anything of that sort, yeah, this has the pep and the step that you need in an off-road vehicle. There is some wind noise. I do have the soft top, as y'all can see. Go over this bridge a little bit, check it out a little. Look at that view. Beautiful view. What we'll do is we'll go down this strip, turn around. So my channel is not just going to be about the Bronco. Of course, that's the build that I have. So there will be a lot of Bronco content on it until the next vehicle gets purchased or traded in for. But I really do I will start posting more car content taking more point of views and shots, like I mentioned. Something I've always liked. I know people will be interested in, especially with these Broncos. These Broncos are nuts. The market for these things is on a whole nother level. A little bit about this Bronco. This is a 2022 four-door Badlands 4x4 Advance. Not a Sasquatch though, but since it is a Badlands, the Badlands trim does come with a Bilstein suspension, so it is in between the stock suspension and the Sasquatch suspension. Don't quote me on this, but I believe it's an 1.5 inch lift over the stock suspension, and I believe a 1/2 inch lower than your Sasquatch suspension. The wheels are 33s with the beadlock tires and the all-terrain, or with the beadlock wheels and the all-terrain tires. I love this vehicle. If I could, I would have this and my Audi that I traded in. A little bit of traffic tonight. It is Saturday night, beach town, winter time. More people are in from up north, spending their time down south, and we're also in a very unique economy where a lot of people wanted to move to Florida, and it's a little more traffic in these smaller beach towns than usual. Now, of course, Miami, Orlando, West Palm, Tampa, Jacksonville, of course, they've seen an influx of new residents, but the metropolitan areas on the outskirts of all those cities also have seen a huge influx in residents. It's a cool little beach town. In between West Palm and Orlando. Be careful here. There's one. There's two. This is the strip in Vero Beach. One of the boardwalks right here on the right of me. Nice little Corvette. Them C8s are nice. Got Mulligan's Beach House, a couple other little pubs and bars. It gets a little busy. It can, or at least at this hour on a Saturday. This isn't a town that goes popping into 3 a.m. There are a handful of bars in this city that stay open until about 2. Folks go by. Y'all got right away? We gonna drive the right way on video. That's what we're gonna do. Vero Beach Hotel and Spa, all ready for the holidays. People not paying attention when they're driving. It's all good, it's all good. Some motorcycles. A classic Jeep with a nice little lift. Jeep Wave. I don't know if there's an official Bronco wave. house being built. Just the boardwalk. We're not gonna hit up the boardwalk tonight. There's not much. I'd rather do that in a different video in the morning with the sunrise. Instead of what we'll do is just hit this up. No, we won't go that way. We'll go straight. Hit A1A. As I mentioned earlier, this has a little pep in it. You know, for an SUV that's not a Trackhawk, or when you're street performance vehicles, for an all-wheel drive vehicle, this 2.7 liter 330 horsepower, I believe, engine, and 310 pounds of torque has a little pep. Let's take it right here. Not my 360 pound Audi S5 by no means, but the pep in the step is there. I have not taken this thing off roading yet. Of course, when I do, you guys will be right with me. Biker. Two. Green and purple. Love it. More Christmas lights. The Beachland building. Pack mail. There they are. Bikes. Bikes again. Adjustments that I've had to make to the Bronco. I did have a pickup truck in between my Audi and the delivery of this Bronco. I had a 2022 Ford F-150 with a 5.0 in it. That, I want to say, is the baddest engine I've owned. Of course, the I don't know what happened. Camera shut off. I don't know if it overheated or whatnot. I'm not sure what footage and what the topic of convo was when the camera shut off. I'm not sure what the footage or the topic of conversation was when the camera shut off, so I'm gonna go ahead and check that out. Again, my name is AJ, new channel, all point of view driving. At the moment, we're gonna be in the Ford Bronco. We'll be test driving some other vehicles throughout. Drop a comment, let me know what kind of POV video you guys want to see. We'll knock it out. It's AJ here, taking over the streets, one car at a time. Till the next video, we out.